As we reflect on 2024, it's clear it has been a year of extraordinary accomplishments for SEIU 2015 members. Together, we showed the power of long-term care workers to lead real, lasting change. We kicked off 2024 with purpose and vision at our triennial member convention, where members passed bold resolutions to guide our union toward a just and equitable future of care. Together, we committed to three powerful strategies: building a strong union, improving care jobs and access to long-term care, and advancing justice in our communities. From the convention to the front lines, we turned resolutions into action, and we delivered. We reached a historic milestone. SEIU 2015 now represents over 500,000 long-term care workers in California, with more than 69,000 new members joining our union family. More than 1,000 nursing home workers form their union with us at 13 different skilled nursing facilities, like Alta Gardens Care Center, Huntington Park Nursing Center, and Ojai Health and Rehabilitation. Across California, we fought tirelessly to improve care jobs and protect access to services. We won monumental improvements for IHSS providers, with new contracts secured in nearly a dozen counties, including Ventura, San Benito, Santa Cruz, Calaveras, Yuba, Sacramento, San Mateo, Napa, Marin, Tehama, and Mendocino. These new union contracts brought higher wages to nearly 70,000 home care workers across California. Our contract victories were especially sweet in Calaveras and Tehama counties, where IHSS providers won their first ever union contracts, bringing their wages well above the California minimum wage for the very first time in their history. And that's not all. Our bargaining team secured funds for PPE, training, and education, ensuring we're not just earning more, but building a stronger workforce for the future. Nearly 150 private agency workers at Addis won a new union contract, raising wages by more than 16%. Nursing home workers at Apple Valley Care Center celebrated a monumental victory by ratifying their very first union contract. And workers across dozens of nursing home facilities, including San Leandro Healthcare Center, Bayview Rehabilitation Hospital, Plum Tree in San Jose, and Willow Pass Healthcare Center in Concord, won strong union contracts, along with Desert Canyon Post-Acute in Lancaster, Bella Vista Healthcare Center in Long Beach, and Sunnyside in Fresno. These victories mean better pay, stronger benefits, and a brighter future for caregivers and those whom they care for. Our legislative efforts also bore fruit. In June, we joined nearly 1,000 allies to rally at the Capitol to stop harmful budget cuts that threatened IHSS services for undocumented community members and thousands of Californians. Together, we protected care and our communities. Our victories didn't stop there. With our support, Governor Gavin Newsom signed AB 2131 into law, a groundbreaking step toward language justice in our industry. What this law allows for is for CNA students to take the state certification test in Spanish, addressing the critical shortage of CNAs in nursing homes and breaking down barriers for caregivers across California. The power of SEIU 2015 reached far beyond California this year. In Michigan, 35,000 home care workers reclaimed their rights to unionize after 12 years of having their union stripped away. This is a fight that we proudly stood hand in hand with them each step of the way. And at the federal level, we expanded access to Medicaid services and pushed for critical rules on safe staffing in nursing homes. Our fight for justice didn't stop at the workplace. We strengthened our justice agenda by protecting democracy and electing care champions up and down the state, from county supervisors to state and federal legislators. SEIU 2015 members achieved record-breaking voter outreach this year, with more than 1,500 members contributing over 17,000 hours during the general election. This is the highest member participation and leadership in our union's history. Because when we vote and we encourage others to vote, we win. And we know, as I've often said, that elections have consequences. Our members and leaders made us prouder than ever with their incredible accomplishments and recognition for their work in building a more just world for caregivers, for those whom they care for, and for our communities. The Honduras Coalition recognized Cecilia Rodriguez for her powerful work in organizing for immigrant justice. Over 2 decades, Cecilia's tireless efforts have helped thousands of people secure vital immigration services. She is a shining example of the heart and dedication that make SEIU 2015 so special and unstoppable. And let's not forget, in the summer, we celebrated a historic moment for the labor movement as our sister, April Barrett, one of our very own, stepped into the role of international president of SEIU. April's leadership, we know, will bring SEIU 2015's energy, values, and commitment to racial and economic justice to the global stage. As we look back on 2024, we celebrate the progress we've made, building a stronger union, improving care jobs and access to care, advancing justice for all. Thank you, SEIU 2015, for your dedication, for your leadership, and for your power. Here's to an even stronger 2025. Yes, we can. Sí se puede.